Hello, this is John from VectorZero, and in this multi-part tutorial, we're going to be taking a look at creating freeways in RoadRunner. We'll be creating on-ramps and off-ramps, cloverleafs, and multi-stack interchanges. So let's get started. To start, I'm going to create a new scene, and we'll focus on and off-ramps. I'm going to grab a freeway road style here, and just create a simple freeway. Creating on and off ramps, use the slip road tool. I'm going to click on that and then right click on my freeway. You can see I have an array of dots on both sides of this freeway. This allows you to pull off lanes and create ramps. So to create an off ramp, for example, I'm going to left click on this point here and then right click out here. It's created a simple off ramp. Oftentimes you want to switch into the lane width tool and grab the shoulder and just extend that back out to finalize the shoulder of the road. You may also want to switch to the Add Lane tool and add the shoulder to the outside of the off-ramp. To finish this, I'll switch into the Marking tool and add a solid white line to show the shape of the off-ramp. If I remove this, I'll demonstrate now how to create a exit-only off-ramp. Like before, I will left click to select that. I will right click out here, but while doing, I will also be holding Control. As you can see, this has now dropped one of these lanes, so this lane must exit now. Like before, I'm going to select the end of this shoulder here and just extend its distance back to the end of the road. Also add a shoulder to this off-ramp and add a marking to show the shape. I'll also, in this case, create a solid marking here to separate out the shoulder. Great. On-ramps are very similar. If I switch to this side of the freeway, I'll again use the slip road tool. I'll left click on this point and right click out here. So it'll look identical to an off ramp, but in this case it's now an on ramp. Again, I'll switch to the lane width tool, grab this shoulder, bring that there, add a shoulder to this side of the off ramp. Great. As a final example, I'll create a new scene and create a stretch that is both an on-ramp and an off-ramp. Switch over to road styles and create a new freeway. In this case, there's going to be a short period where there's an extra lane. I'm going to switch this over to driving and add that there. Like before, I'm going to right click, left click to select this point, and I'm going to hold Control and right click over here to create an on-ramp. Same way, I'm going to right click, left click over here, hold Control, and right click out here. I'm going to go into the lane width tool, select this shoulder, and extend its distance. Great. And like before, I'll add some shoulders. And assign the appropriate markings. Finally, I will add a dashed marking in the middle here to allow for lane changes. And that's how you create on and off ramps in RoadRunner.